What's going on? Welcome back to the process. So we got a nice, beautiful, but bad day here in Detroit. But I'm out here finna put some work in. I'm gonna give y'all a brief walk around and show y'all what I'm getting ready to do to the El Camino. This is day one of my teardown. So I'm gonna give y'all a quick little overview of what I plan on doing first. Like I was saying, I'm gonna start from the bottom up, which means I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do my floor pan replacement. Which is I got my new floor pans over here in this box. I'm gonna show y'all this box in a second. But I'm gonna do a little quick walk around so y'all can see what's going on. So look at my little 350. You know? Now if y'all seen any of my other videos, I've been in debate about going with a 383 stroker or maybe an LS swap. I'm trying to decide what I want to do. You know, I understand with an LS, it's a bunch of performance opportunities with that, man. The sky's the limit. But I mean, I'm all for old school, small block, you know, muscle. I'm with that. But I remember back in the day, man, that's all you had to have in your old school was a little chromed out 350 with the air filter looking good, man. But shit, now you pull up to a car show with this, they gonna laugh at you, bro. This ain't doing nothing. Even with the headers on there, you losing, man. You feel me? But I gotta come correct with this build. So you know how it's finna go. If you're a true car lover, you already know how this game work. You gotta come correct. So I'm finna go with a new engine, man. I'm finna change the front end, new headlights, new grill, new bumper, a new hood. Might do a 2-inch or a 4-inch. I don't know how you cowl induction hood, man. However you say it, y'all know what's up. So I like how my chrome trim is pretty much intact. I can buff some of this out. Even with the bed, man. All my chrome pieces is there on the bed, all the way around. So I'm starting from the ground up though. These are my replacement floor pans for the rear. I'm gonna have to snatch this bench seat out and pull this carpet up so y'all can see what I'm getting into, because I noticed, hopefully y'all can see this, it ain't too dark, but from the bottom you can see my carpet right here. Floor pans rusted out pretty bad on both sides. So I ordered those floor pan replacements off of eBay. Got a pretty decent deal. So I'm finna go ahead, man. This is day one. I'm finna get this snatched out. And look at this, man. Look at how they did this, how they installed this flow shifter right here. This, I don't know what this is, man, but this is my whole point. If you don't know what you're doing, don't work on cars, man. Somebody put this boy in here all crooked. Like, it should be about right here. But I guess it was too big. He just tried to make it work and slapped it over in here. But he really made a bigger problem than what he should have been doing, because you cut a hole in the floor to put it in here crooked, man. Now, it bumped my leg when I'm driving. Ain't no room to reach it. So I gotta fix that, get that boy straightened out, man. It's crazy. Let me drink to that. But I got some work to put in, man. I got plans. So if you are new to my channel, make sure y'all subscribe right now, man. Join this process. I got a lot in store for this car. Make sure y'all go ahead and stay locked in with me. I'm finna put this work in. Got a long way to go, man. I'm starting from the bottom up. What I really want to do is, I should do a frame off, so I can go ahead and get this whole frame powder coated, get all that rust off of it. That's the idea. New suspension, you know. I'm finna go in. But first things first, man. Let me go ahead and get this bench seat out, get this carpet out, so I can get a better view of how bad these floor pans looking. So let me go ahead and get to it. Yeah. So as y'all can see, I need to get my rear end done too, man. Add it to the list. Rear end upgrade. That boy need a posse. But look at this, man. Look at this stupid flow shifter. It's hitting my leg. Can't even drive the car. Crazy, man. If you don't know what you're doing, don't do it. Then I spilled my drink. Anyway, man, let me go ahead and get back to my garage, man, so I can pull this seat out and pull this carpet up. Y'all boys stay locked in. All right, so I got that front seat out. Now I can kind of show y'all what's going on with these flow pans. I couldn't get the carpet all the way out like I was trying to, because whoever installed this flow shifter needs a whooping, because they messed up bad, man. Like, he got screws going through it with nuts on the bottom, and this weather ain't so good out here right now, man. The wind blowing pretty bad, so I don't feel like getting down on the ground messing with that right now. So I have to come back to it later on. But this is the rear floor pans, and as you can see, this boy is full Fred Flintstone, man. We are straight to the ground with it, you know. But I expected that. What I wasn't ready for was, we got some holes back here in the back underneath this bed area, like this little, I guess it's like the trunk area or something, man, back here. So all the way in the corner, see those holes? Even over here on the passenger side, same scenario. And I even noticed coming up toward the driver floor area, got a few more holes right here, like going all the way up toward the brake pedal area. It's a few holes. So I wasn't ready for all that, man. It's a little bit more than what I thought was gonna be going on with these flow pans, but it's all good. But if you know any good welder, man, I'm in the Detroit metro area, leave me a comment, send me a welder my way. Otherwise, I'm gonna go holler at the guy who did the repairs on my Camaro and just have him give me a quote to get some sheet metal work done over in here, and just go from there. But this the replacements. This how it's supposed to go. Just put it right on over in here, and then weld it up, cut it, whatever you have to do to it, and get it going, man. But I need some patchwork all the way on this floor pan and a few different little spots. So make sure y'all subscribe right now, man. This finna be one hell of a process. I got some work to put in. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. So like I always say, man, make sure y'all like this video, leave me a comment, share it, all that YouTube stuff y'all already know. I got some calls to make. So let me go ahead and get to it, baby.